What is up, everybody? Today I'm here with A-Man Plays.
I meant to do the intro.
You are?
I'm just kidding. So, myself, Gabriel's not here or anything.
What?
This isn't going on his channel.
Shut up!
But me, myself, is going to be playing a game called,
Nova Legacy. It's called...
Oh, yeah, Nova Legacy.
You're not even playing, I am.
I know this. I'm going to be playing side to side.
I don't care.
Little kid approaches you. What do you do?
Okay.
Unpause it now.
I just did!
I know.
Ooh, target 1.
Oh my god, target 1. I'm scared. Target 1 is really good.
It is?
What level are you playing?
I forgot.
Sparks.
I don't know.
Okay.
I can't see in this glare. I'm going in the shade after this.
You can pause the game too.
Yes, I'm pausing the game and the video.
We should.
Hey.
Bro, you want to talk just to make this video 10 minutes long?
No.
Oh, okay. Nice job.
Raiders
Raider.
died.
Oh, yeah, you are playing the Sparks level. That was easy.
It is. You said it was hard for no darn reason.
No, I thought you were talking about different level.
I said target 1. See,
went to the
here's
wrong
my
place,
fucking
bro.
gun.
You went to the wrong place.
Okay, red. It's
What?
my arrow. Yay! Eek. Eek.
I
Help.
literally ran through you.
Help, I'm dying.
What are you doing? Melee them or something?
Eek.
You're so bad!
I know. That's why I'm playing this game.
Half of your health is already gone from Raiders. You kidding me, bro? I thought you were like maxed out on Mark 1.
I'm not maxed out.
Oh, I thought someone
I'm like level 50.
Okay.
Die, Raider, you suck my balls.
Your discretion is wise. He's just like sitting there. What do I do?
You newbie. Says it.
Oh my god. Oh, he just melee you. Well, I guess nothing happened.
Carol. I hate my bugs.
Oh my god, he has a shotgun or something. Just shoot him or something. Oh my god, bro. Oh god. He uses his pistol to take out something and he's on like 1 health. How would you use your automatic?
My automatic has no more ammo.
Then use your shotgun.
I don't have
You don't have a shotgun.
No.
Go near them, dude. See, they do a lot of melee damage. Are you not dead yet? Oh, you're fine.
I rip.
Can I try the level?
I am back, everyone.
He just watched the video to go back where he was.
I know.
So, yeah, he's not a hacker.
Or am I? Damn.
Well, then again, you use the kite fly, so you can't be a good hacker.
But I'm not.
Did I just say the kite fly? I just said the kite fly.
You say I'm newbie.
You are. I had the game longer than you did.
Yeah, by like 40 minutes.
No. I had the game a day before I even told you that.
So see you guys in a bit. So I'm back, guys, and I'm gonna die again. I died! I'm so newbie.
You actually did?
Yeah, I died again. There was a smash on my 50 drones.
Wow.
Oh no, I hate advertisements. So I'm gonna go get shotgun. Besides this sucky.
We're gonna play it with a shot.
I want this gun though.
Which gun?
I mean not this gun.
Which gun? Which? I sneezed.
You're very horrible at sneezing.
Thank you. I think you're able to have 2 shotguns. It's a rumor. Can I show you how?
I don't want 2
I'm
shotguns.
saying, do you just want to know how you do that?
No,
Okay.
because I don't believe you.
Sure, okay. Let's see. What if I do hack your account?
Every day. Gotta move at it. Ooh, I want a sapphire pack.
You're okay.
When I first saw them, I thought they were like very good.
Maybe if you want to guarantee that.
Yeah, but
Like
only like one.
they have like an epic pack. It's like an event that you get a guaranteed epic, and it's like the same price of a diamond. I would rather get diamond though, because diamond gives you more stuff than just one epic.
Oh wow, all you get is one epic?
Confirm. You stole that dog.
Did not steal a dog.
I'm calling 991.
Where are dogs sitting it?
Amaya's walking it, bro. Looking at your dogs, and why would you sit on a dog?
I'm not sitting on a
I'm gonna call
dog.
991 if you say something like that again. Look how deep I can dig. I think that's as deep.
I'm gonna comment that on Trevor's thing. He'll think I made that on accident, but I'm gonna say it on purpose. I'm gonna call 911 on you. Not 911. 991. Everybody's going race. Fighting.
Oh, why are you not recording?
I am recording.
Oh, you are? Oh. Are you winning? You winning?
What the heck?
Are you dying?
What happened? It was like a big explosion and it stopped.
Yeah. Stuff that just happens in the game.
Oh. This game is very violent then.
It is a very violent game. You should put like a parental control in this video.
Oh my god. I'm outside a building.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Oh, it's an invader! It's red for some reason.
So
Why are these raiders a weird color? I like it.
Raiders are always red.
No, but that one looked different.
Raider?
That raider did look different.
It's probably just because of the sense of wedding. That's like when you go into the air and it's like darker. You're gone everything.
That's why like the invaders were red instead of blue.
Yeah.
He just called Khalees just called you other Gabriel. Yes.
I don't really care if she kind of just other person to me, so
Everybody's going shotgun fighting.
yeah, guys, if you didn't know, he changed that for a shotgun.
Yes. Oh, I accidentally threw a grenade.
Oh, those things are kind of no. I don't
Wait, can
really-
you hurt yourself with a grenade?
I think so.
Yeah, because I just
I
wrote
did
my
it once.
Pixel Gun 3D. You can't.
Someone actually did a YouTube video that they only had to use grenades to make people find across the game.
And what?
In this game.
There's a boss.
Yeah, there's a
Who is it?
boss. I don't really know his name. This is a really
Is there
big
like you need to
boss.
know the storyline?
No,
for it?
it's like a big fat alien. And if you want to know the storyline, just read the splashes when the level's loading. It tells you all you need.
Crap! I'm out of ammo. I'm gonna die. Oh yeah. Take that, sucker. I love ammo refills though. When you think you're about to die, use an ammo refill.
Right. Or just use grenade.
Right.
Maybe even some Vanguard armor.
Right.
When you think you're gonna die, pop out a shotgun.
Mhm.
My shotgun will drop you.
Drone. Shotguns are so good against drones. Oh no, it's a meteor shower. I hate
Those
these.
parts are hard, like because they make it so like you lose health.
My shotgun.
I actually beat a meteor shower and I was on like critical health. It was on the like
Me too.
I think it was on your level actually that you're playing right now.
My shotgun will drop you. Well, I'm not using.
One, I brought two. Halo versus Nova Legacy rap battle.
My shotgun will drop you.
You got one, I brought you two. I brought you two.
I brought you too. I brought you to kill yourself. Crap, my weapon overheated.
I'm like what, 98?
You're like 27.
Right, Master Chief.
Is Master Chief old?
I think so. Well, I actually do think so. They don't really specifically tell his age.
What does he sound like?
What does he sound like? You play as Master Chief.
Oh.
You don't like. What kind of question is this? What does he sound like? When you press the right trigger, he says, "Hi."
He does?
No.
Sorry, I don't play Halo.
Hi. Right trigger shoots. Well, you're right gun.
What's the point in saying hi?
Hi. Kill kills run.
Hi. Hello, friend. Dies.
It's like hi, and Lee gets jump scared. You guys. My shotgun will drop you.
Are you? What did I get from Sapphire Pack?
Some crap.
I got.
Why is lava inside?
I don't care. Right. We get everything melts. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And
Please dislike this video.